All right, let's walk through how to take the SPY ATM alert in the Webull Mobile App. So the first thing to do, down here on the bottom left, I'm on the watch list tab. The easiest thing to do is to add SPY to your watch list. That way you can easily access it. You don't have to search for it each time. So look here at the bottom, you see the little search bar. Click in there and type in SPY, and you'll see it right here at the top. Click the heart button, and now when you go into your watch list, you can see I've got SPY up here at the top. So now we can easily get into SPY around the alert time. So it's best to open your app and already be in here a couple of minutes before 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, so you're ready to place the order. So what I do, I click on SPY. Down here at the bottom, you'll see there's a trade and an options button. If you click trade, that's going to trade the actual ETF. We don't want to do that. We want to trade the options. So we're going to click on the green button for options. And now we have our options chain pulled up. Right here in the middle, you can see where SPY is right now, 622.49. And then this is the options chain. You'll see 622, 621, 620, above that, and then below that, 623, 624, 625, and so on. On the left-hand side, and if you look towards the top here, it actually tells you, on the left-hand side, you'll see calls. On the right-hand side, you'll see puts. And then in green, that is the bid price. So if you're wanting to buy the option, which is what we're doing with SPY ATM, we're going to click on the green button. So if we were to buy a 622 call, we'd be buying this one that's 94 cents right now. If we were to buy the 622 put, we'd be buying this one that's 50 cents. Now SPY ATM is always going to buy something right here around the middle, and technically it buys the first in the money contract. So you see here in the middle where it says the current price for SPY, on the left you'll see ITM with an arrow pointing up, and on the right you'll see ITM with an arrow pointing down. That's in the money, and it's telling you that if you're doing a call on the left, the first in the money is above. So the first in the money is this 95-cent contract for 622. If you're doing the first in the money for a put, it's actually below this middle portion. So it's the 623, that's 98 cents. All right, so you'll have an idea of where to look. So I just sit here while I wait for the order to come in. And then let's say the order comes in and it's a put for 623. So I will click on the green here, and that brings up the buy screen. Now check your order type. I think I have mine defaulted to market. If yours is on limit, you're going to want to change that to market. And if you're watching this video far enough in advance, you should be able to go in and figure out how to automatically have this pull up as market. You always want to mark it into these. All right, now you'll see contracts here. If it's telling you to buy one contract today, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use the plus and down button, or you can actually manually type in what you want here. So just going to have 1. Time in force defaults today. That's fine. As soon as I hit this buy button, the order is going to go through. So let's do that. Confirm. All right. So I'm in. It says I'm in for 99 cents. So now what you do, you hit your back button, hit your back button again. All right. Now hit the Webull button in the middle and click on the account that you're working with. In my case, I'm working on a cash account. And now you'll see your position down here at the bottom under my positions. So if you just click on it, now you'll see there's a sell to close at the bottom in red. If you click on that little arrow, you can hit take profit or stop loss. And this is given to you in the alert. So let's see, I've got to manually work this out real quick. I got in for 99 cents. So I am gonna see if it'll let me do this. So I'm gonna click on take profit stop loss. This first one here, limit price, that's your take profit order. So I'm just gonna pretend the take profit was 1.1 and the stop price, I'm gonna pretend that was 0.75. And then you hit place order, confirm, and that's it. Then you can walk away, and you can monitor your position if you want to by coming back to your assets page here, which it's a little tricky. If you end up back in the main part, just click on the Webull button, click on your account. In my case, it's a cash account, and then you'll be back here to your assets page. And then if you just click on the position, you can see what it's doing. So mine probably gonna stop out because this is not a real order. This is just something I randomly did during the day. So we'll see what happens here. That's how much I love you guys. Willing to lose 10 bucks to show you how to do this. So all right, wish me luck on this one. If you have any questions, let me know.